Want to create your own movie totally free? I'm going to show you how I made a full film using nothing but AI, and you can do it too, right now. It's easier than you think. First up, every great movie needs a great story. So our step one is to head over to ChatGPT. This is where the magic begins. You can literally just tell it what you want. For this example, I typed, "Write a 1-minute action story that's emotional and cinematic." You can ask for a comedy, a romance, a thriller, whatever you're feeling. Watch as it instantly generates a script for you. If you want a longer movie, just specify the length. You could ask for a 10-minute short film or even a full 60-minute feature. ChatGPT will structure the entire plot for you, scene by scene. It's like having a professional screenwriter on your team, for free. Now that we have our script, it's time to bring our characters and world to life. For step 2, we're using an AI image generator like Whisk AI. This is where you create the visuals. You will take the descriptions from your ChatGPT script and turn them into stunning character portraits and scene backgrounds. The key here is to control the output. Before you start generating, make sure to set your aspect ratio. With our story written and our characters designed, it's time for step 3, animation. This is where we make everything move. We'll use a text-to-video AI tool like Video 3 or Dramina. These platforms are incredible. You take your scene descriptions from the script and the character images you created, and the AI animates them into short video clips. Think of each clip as a single shot in your movie, maybe 5 to 10 seconds long. You can generate dozens of these, one for each action or line of dialogue in your script. You'll see your static images come alive with cinematic motion, dynamic lighting, and special effects, all generated by the AI. Finally, we bring it all together. Once you've generated all your animated clips, you import them into a video editor like CapCut. This is where you become the director. You arrange the clips in order, following the storyboard from your script. You can trim them, add transitions, and really build your film scene by scene. Add some epic music, maybe a voiceover, and just like that, you've stitched together your entire movie. The best part? The whole process, from script to final cut, can be done with 0 watermarks and for absolutely free. That's how you make a full AI movie. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today and unleash your inner filmmaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips.